Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this video we'll be talking about some more stuff about the Angular 4. Basically, you know that we've learned a lot of things. We've learned that how we can make different components of the website. We just you can see that here we just added the header, we just added the content, and we just nested both of them here. That's cool. Well, that's not really important. We just can directly nest them into the component.html. I just wanted to show you how we can do that, so I just made this file, the nesting. Nest 1. Ignore that thing for now. The real thing I want to do is, first of all, I'm just removing this text, which is actually dumb and nothing. Now, how to know, how may I suppose that it's the header or that's the header? First of all, I'm just going there and I'm just deleting some rough stuff. So let's just delete that, save it again, and go back to the browser. And now you can see that there is a little less content. So now, how may I suppose which one is the header? And header should have some style, some kind of background color or other stuff. So how we can deal with these things? So there is a simple way. There are two ways actually, if you just want to work in Bootstrap or without Bootstrap. So first of all, I just want to show you how we can install Bootstrap any project. Now we just because you know that there are thousands of different ways we just can apply, and absolutely we're applying. First of all, you can see that there is a style.css, the main style.css file. Besides of this file, the index.html, there is a style.css file which is actually empty for now. Here we can just give some global styles, but it's empty for now. So there you can see that this is the index.html file. That's cool. But I just want to install the Bootstrap. So for the Bootstrap, what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna simply type npm install save and double hyphen save, and then here I'm just gonna type Bootstrap. Okay, that's awesome. Its spelling must be clear and line break. Now it's just gonna install the Bootstrap. You can see that here it's just getting this from somewhere, downloading, extracting, and all the things it's doing for now. Yeah, Bootstrap done. You can see that the Bootstrap 3.3.7, the latest packet of the Bootstrap for now, it has been installed. Bootstrap is not a typical thing, but you need to know some basics of the Bootstrap if you just want to work on it with me. So where is the boot? Where we just got the Bootstrap, because you know that we just installed the Bootstrap using the npm method. So I'm just gonna go there with the CLI method. I'm just gonna go to the node modules, open this up, and there you can see 1,000 of files. Just ignore all of them because really we just do not need them. Now there we'll be getting the Bootstrap. The Bootstrap here is the Bootstrap we've got. Bootstrap is a folder, and where are the files? I'm just gonna adjust the main file, and where it is, the distribution, there is the CSS file and there is the JS file. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust the bootstrap.css file for now. The very first thing we just did is to install the Bootstrap. Now we got the Bootstrap. Now I just want to go to the specific file. I know first of all I just need to go to the Bootstrap, so just leave this for a while, and I'm just going down to the file where we just want to add the Bootstrap. Here, okay, I got to the real area of the project. So we want to use the Bootstrap to the header, to the header component, to the content component, to the main application component. So first of all, I'm just going there, and here you can see that there are a few files like install.css, like index.css, but there is also another thing, the angular CLI.json. Double click on it to get the file open. Now there you just can adjust some some methods in a JSON way. You can see that the index file, there actually all the basic things means actually these elements are defined like the index file. The index will be the index.html, means we are just declaring this file as the index, and the main file as the main.ts, and the polyfills.ts and test and other stuff. You can see that the prefixes, and now you can see that two things here, styles and the scripts. For the style, I'm just going there and adding a comma and line breaking, because now you can see that this one is the style.css, which is actually they are calling this file the styles.css. If you just want to put, you know, when we just work on Bootstrap or when we just work on designing, we have to use sometimes additional file other than the Bootstrap. So the Bootstrap is really important, but when we just want to use the other file, we will be using this style.css file, styles.css file, or we can add another more Now I'm adding the bootstrap for now. First of all, the folder name, the node modules. Now I'm actually going to the top one again. Oh, come on. Go. This is a JSON file. Don't forget that here. I'm just going to use the JSON methods. Okay. Oh, sorry. I have to use this one to go to the top. I was just using a little way out of wrong method. Here is the place where we just need to go. The node modules, and then slash. There is a bootstrap. There is a bootstrap, then dist file, then css file, then bootstrap.css. So slash and the other file, the dist, the folder name actually, then css folder, then bootstrap.css. Okay, that's cool. We've added the css file for now. Spelling must be clear. Now spelling is actually clear, so it's bootstrap. SD. Now it's fine. The error was clearing us that something's wrong we did. Now there are these files, they're just telling that we didn't configure it. Actually we didn't make that, but we really don't need them, so we just added the node modules. And in the same way we just need to add the, if you just look at it, the JS file, the bootstrap.js file. We just need to add this one, bootstrap.js, and it has the bootstrap.js. we're gonna add the bootstrap.js file. Okay, so close this one, and I'm just going there and just opening this up, and the method, the node modules, same as we did to the above one, node modules slash dist. Spelling must be clear. Okay, then js, then slash, then bootstrap.js. okay, that's awesome. And actually we did this thing. Now a little more things we just need to adjust. For now I'm just going to the top one and just making it collapsed so we can see other files. Now the thing is, you are where you are for now. You're not inside the src folder. Out of the src folder, there is a file named angular. Here is a file angular cli.json. So but we are just actually calling this file. If I just do this one, okay, there is a file. Okay, so we just need to go inside this folder, the node modules, and then get the files. But the interesting thing, if you just notice that this file is actually related to the index.html and the style.css files. If you just notice that there are the main.ts file, the index.html, and the style.css files, which are the files which are inside the source folder, but it's just asking for no directory link because of the way Angular works. And if you just notice, it has a dot, the period sign. So when it just relatively looking like it's just related to these files, to the index.html, so absolutely, just suppose if we are inside the index.html file and we're just calling the node.js, then we have to add these signs. Okay, so this file is actually connected to these files, and this file is actually a dot. You can see that it has the dot sign first, the period sign first. So absolutely the way this file works is a little different from the other files. So we're gonna add this sign, and this is necessary, absolutely. Now save it, and what more, we've actually added the bootstrap. Awesome. Now we just need to check if it's working perfectly. So I'm just going there to the app component. I'm just going to the I'm just gonna open up the src, which is already opened. I'm just gonna open the app. I'm just gonna open the header, and there's a header.html, and there to the nested content I'm adding a thing class, jumbotron. Now I got the jumbotron. Save it, and in Word it's telling there is a mistake, but if I just go there and if I just refresh that one, and it's not showing me. Okay, let me update it. Jumbotron. Then what is the problem? Save this, refresh, there's something we're doing very wrong, and we just need to check that out. First of all, here, the module, save it. And now I'm just going to open up, I'm just going to go to the browser to check that out if the file has been added in real, and the control shift and I, and now I'm just going to get the element area. I'm just going to go to the header, and now we got two styles, and this one is actually the main style sheet. Now one thing I just want to clear for now, we'll be managing the bootstrap later, but no problem. But for now I just want to tell you something. When how much files we've added, as much as files we've added, we're watching see these style tags in the same quantity. This one is the styles.css style, and this one is the bootstrap style. If I just go to there, and if you just noticed, there is the styles.css, this file, and that's the bootstrap. But if you just notice that this has been added, okay, just suppose if I just go there and I just want to show you a few things, and if I just go there and just type background, okay, I'm just setting some kind of background or anything. This is just for a test purpose. I just want to show you a thing. Background orange, okay, save it. Now go to the browser, and there, just check this out. It has been updated. You can see that this file has been updated. It has a background color is orange. So whatever we've added to the styles.css has got here. That means when it's here, then we can simply add that thing to the files, to any of the element, which will be really simple. But the bootstrap is not getting added. Just go there. Oh, okay, we're inside the node modules, and we cannot go directly to the dist folder. We need to pass the bootstrap folder first. I forgot this one thing. Bootstrap. Okay, now that's cool. First we just need to go to the bootstrap. In this way, save this out, and now just need to go to the header back, and here is the header, and we've added the jumbotron already. So save this up and go to the browser, and there, still we're not getting the bootstrap. Are we? No, still not. That means something more we need to do. Just check that up. Go there. Sorry, not this one, but go a little down and go there. So bootstrap, node modules, bootstrap, dist, css. I'm just gonna go to the folder back, node modules, spelling is correct, and there is a bootstrap folder. I've got it, bootstrap. Oh, I found the reason actually. The problem is we're just adding a new file, new style file, and well, for this thing we just need to close the here we just need to close the server. Now we just go to the browser. You will be seeing, if you just refresh that, now you can see that we just need to set it up all the things up. First of all, the bootstrap.css file, then the style.css file, then just remember this sorting. And now I'm just going to run the the cmd again, cd desktop, and then I'm just going to go to the first Angular app inline break, and now it's just going to run the, oh sorry, I didn't run the npm start, which is necessary. Yeah, it's just running the ng-serve, and then here the server is live, just loading things up. It will be done in a little while. Yeah, it's about to be. Okay, chunk assets optimization and all complete. Now go to the browser, and now you can see that. Now you can see that it has been loaded. All things are good. Now if you just go there, and if I just go and check this up and click there, now you can see that there is the bootstrap. Come on, there is the bootstrap, all in all. Okay, the HTML and other stuff of the bootstrap, you can see that bottom. Okay, so it's a very long thing, and the other one is the style, the general style sheet. We just can edit that and whatever we just want to do. So now in this way we just make things happen. Now in the next class we'll be just working on other stuff, so till then wait for a while, because we need to add we just need to use the bootstrap in a perfect manner. So this class is already being very big. So goodbye and stay tuned. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we will meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.